2016 Fiesta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power mirrors, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, front independent suspension, headlights halogen, 4-wheel ABS, integrated turn signal mirrors, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, steering wheel cruise control, front headrests adjust. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.